and find the video that you want to download. So please guys, this video is only for educational purposes only. Download the videos that are non-copyright and don't distribute content without the permission of the owner. Let's say you found the video that you download, then you're going to go ahead and press the three dots on the upper right corner and copy the link. And then you can exit out of here and then go to the browser. And here you will search Snap Insta. As you can see, we're going to go ahead and click this one. And from here, you can literally download any video, photo, IG Reels, IGTV stories, anything that you can think of. You can download it from here. As you guys can see, there's different menus for different types of Instagram contents. You guys can use this just by this is far by the best website that I can find. This is not like a sponsor or anything. This is personally what I use, and it's super easy and simple. But once you paste it right here, then download here, scroll down, then download the video, the blue button right here, then download. You can see the details here. It's going to go to start downloading over here, and it's going to show up here. If you click on the search icon, as you can see guys, it's loading, and if I play, it plays perfectly without any watermark. And if I just go ahead and open up my photo library, you can see here in the downloads, you can see it plays perfectly without any watermarks. So this is the quick and easy method. So that's how you download videos on Instagram. I hope this video helps. If you have any questions, kindly leave it in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like.